guys, it's empanada time again, and we're in Carmen de Patagones in the southeast of Argentina. And I've been told that the best empanadas in town come from this food truck behind us called LuLu's. So I've invited myself into their truck so they can teach me how to make their style of empanada. Now, this is actually my second time making them. I did it in La Rioja, and I'm very interested to see how they do their dough, how their filling is. So follow me, let's go, let's get to it. I'm out of my tree. This is Luisa, the master chef in this town, and she's going to allow me make the masa, which is the dough for the empanadas. Flour and a bit of salt, but it's the finest flour you can find. Plus, it's not sieved, it's just dumped in. Esa es manteca.
Grasa vacuna.
Ah yes, lard, thanks love, yeah. Now normally you have that room temperature, she explained. Okay, so you melt it and then you let it kind of become room temperature. Okay, in it goes. Agua, okay. Water. Okay, time to get the hand stuck into it.
Todo suyo.
Okay, all mine. Right, shit. I'm dropping a little bit of flour on the floor, but as I always say, don't worry, don't look at that. I'll clean up later. This dough has to be completely mixed. Actually, look at this. I'll break that up. Oh, shit. Nice. I'll just put another little drop of water in, just to get the final bits of flour mixed in. Hands into the dough. Oh, like that. Positive vibes from Daiana. Oh, I don't know if I introduced Daiana. Daiana is Luisa's daughter, okay? And they both work here. Say hello, Daiana.
My name is with an extra I. What?
I.
An
A.
Daiana.
Her name is Daiana. What?
It's not Diana.
Oh.
Daiana. Claro. It's like the Spanish version of Diana.
Ah, okay. So it's complicated, folks. Actually, let's see if she can pronounce my real name, right? So my name is Mac, but my real name is Domacha. You know, Domacha. Dumbhead? No, Domacha. She thinks my name is Dumbhead. Okay, Domacha. Okay, so how do you know it's done? Yeah.
Suavecito y hidratado por la grasa.
Ah, yeah.
Entonces se siente hidratado, no se siente pesada.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay.
Serían 100 gramos de materia grasa.
Cada medio kilo.
Yeah. Mexico. So for every
Cada medio kilo.
yes, every half kilo of flour, use 100 grams of lard. Okay, now that's a good fact to know. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I have the knife. Woo! Yeah, I'm learning. She's laughing and I'm crying. Green, yellow and red pepper in little cubes. Oh, we've just done so there you go, you can see we've done the 3 colours of pepper and the onions. Okay, so these magically got chopped while I was talking about the mate. Ba-ding! Wow.
El puerro.
El puerro. Okay, so this is the leek. So again, nice and small. Okay, small. Look at that one. That's a big one. Oh, Mama. Mama.
La puntita.
What's that? Mira. Ah. Okay.
That's on you.
Ah.
On you.
Hey, damn! The daughter's ratted me out. Shh. Okay. And celery. Now the Argentinians drink a lot of mate, like really a lot of the stuff. They drink it every day, kind of all day really.
Exactamente, todo el día.
We don't drink tea walking around the streets in public. They do with their mate. No, there's no problem with that at all. In fact, you can go into a cafe here and just buy hot water for your mate. You fill up your flask and off you go.
Condimentos para verduras vegetales cocidas.
Perfecto. In she goes. Right. Oh, about a good little shake of that. This has been about half an hour in the fridge. There we go.
Everybody's staring at Mag.
Okay.
Oh, he's doing his job.
Right.
He's working out.
I'm working out. This is, see? I'm sweating here. By the way, guys, that's the kind of thickness that you need it to be. So you have an idea. It's a bit like Argentina, right? This is Patagonia. Up to Mendoza. Up to Jujuy. Province of Jujuy in the north. I can't remember this one. Maybe this is Misiones or somewhere like that. Okay. Buenos Aires. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Buenos Aires. I'm not saying Buenos Aires is perfect. Actually, we're still in Buenos Aires, not the city, but the province. We're literally the last town in the Buenos Aires province. And we're down about here somewhere. About here. Yeah? We are. See? Just there, look. There. This was our mixture of veggies, and that's just bubbling away mildly for the last 20 minutes or so. Right, and now for the minced meat. Boom. Basically, the pot is half full, and they do it 1 to 1, so I have to more or less fill the pot, that's it. Now this recipe, this is quite different to the La Rioja one. Of course, the biggest difference in La Rioja, the La Riojana empanada had potatoes, little cubes of potatoes. If you haven't seen that episode, check it out after this one. And it didn't have as many different types of vegetables either. So we have our egg, hard-boiled egg, and olives, green olives, and spring onions. Okay, and they're all going to go into the mix. Diana showed me this. This is basically that mixture when it's done, but it has to be cold. Okay, so this is one that we specially prepared earlier. Okay, and it has all. Let me taste it. Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous, yeah. Diana here is going to show me how she does hers. Diana. Sorry. Donaca.
No me sale.
See, no. Okay. Right.
Donaca.
Oh, very
Hey,
good. She has it, yeah. Okay. Water around the rim, around the edge. A little bit
Es un
more.
poquito difícil porque yo se lo estoy mostrando en la perspectiva de un zurdo.
Ah, yeah, okay, so she was showing me from the left-handed perspective, but I mean, I could do it with my left hand as well.
A ver, vamos despacio.
Yeah.
Ahí.
Okay, so.
Un triangulito.
Yeah, okay, so.
Un triangulito.
Ahí. Yeah.
Apriételo fuerte.
Yeah.
Sin miedo.
Sin miedo. Okay, go.
Fuerte.
I'll press hard, yeah, okay.
Ahora, acá,
Yeah.
en el triangulito, en la puntita donde
here.
queda,
Yeah.
ahí vuelve. Otra vez, bien fuerte.
Ah, okay.
Y siempre en la puntita. ¿Ves? Ahí va mejorando.
That's the key, guys. You have to actually press it down hard. I wasn't doing that before, so. The tip, yeah. So don't be afraid to squash it in. Okay. Of course, if someone wanted a dozen of these, they'll be waiting a long time. But I will speed up, I promise.
Pero para hacer la primera vez.
Oh my God!
Para hacer la primera vez es genial, es hermoso.
Oh my god, that's like this could be the World Championships for empanadas. Yeah, he does it. Okay, so. Oh yeah, the other ones. Put your ones in. Yeah, okay. Okay, lovely golden colour.
How long did it take?
That was only a few minutes. It was like 4 minutes, I'd say.
3.
3 minutes? Yeah, 3 minutes. Gracias. Oh, and this one's mine. No.
Claro. Mira la vida. Ay, no, qué hermoso. Estoy re orgullosa. Está re bella. Mira, mami. Sí.
Right, so Mama's frying my one.
Muy buena la masa.
Okay, the dough was good, she says. Riquísima.
La masa quedó muy suavecita, muy. Aparte sabrosa. Está perfecta la masa y es muy distinta a la que él hace. Y es muy distinta a la que mamá hace. Pero es perfecta, tiene su mano.
Oh, wow.
Tiene la habilidad de usted.
I have the gift. Oh my God! Thank you very much for teaching me. You're a great teacher. Buena profesora. And your empanadas are beautiful. We'll be back. Don't worry about that. We'll be back. And I'll bring their empanadas to the world, right? So guys, you should make this at home if you can. Muchas gracias, Daiana. Daiana, I will get it. No, sorry, Daiana. Sorry. Okay. Muchas gracias para todo.
Fuiste el mejor aprendiz para hacer el repulgue.
There you go, my twisting. I can't.
Apprentice.
They can't say enough good about me, love. My twisting technique, I'm a natural. Okay. Guys, that was bloody amazing. What an experience, what a beautiful family. If you ever come to this town, check this place out. They also do their own homemade bread for the burgers and for the hot dogs and everything. So trust me, you're gonna love it. Okay guys, you know what to do. You have to sign up, subscribe, put your comments, do your likes, tell your neighbors, okay? But make sure, above all, that you join us in the next adventure. And until then, take it easy. But take it!